Have you ever wondered if your part will actually fit in the machine, or wondered if it was positioned correctly so you could machine a feature without exceeding the access limit? With a new option in the setup, you now can. In the Part Positioning tab of the setup, there is a new button called Preview Machine. This will open Machine Jogging and allow you to jog the machine via drag handles or by selecting the bodies themselves. This gives you the benefit of seeing your part move in real time on the machine when you jog each axis, helping you verify that you in fact position the part optimally.